The World Health Organization, the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, it's so disappointing that here we have a rapid way to get people to stop smoking quickly, easily, and cheaply. People buy these products themselves, so it's not even going to cost governments. So low middle income countries that don't even have cessation programs, it's a great opportunity, and it's very disappointing. I don't know who is working in there anymore, but they're wrong. And the lives that have been calculated in this report and a number of the other reports, they will not be saved. The World Health Organization is standing in the way of that happening. Something's got to change. The evidence is getting stronger and stronger, and yet they will not budge.